Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Google Chat for new Google Ads leads and send SMS. So let's suppose I'm running a marketing agency and running advertisements with the help of Google Ads. Now I want that whenever I receive a new lead with the help of Google Ads, I send automated SMS to all these leads and then my team should be automatically notified about this new lead. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads, Twilio and Google Chats. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take Google Ads from where I will receive the new lead, and then in my action application I will take Twilio where the SMS will be sent, and Google Chats where the team will be notified about this new lead automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS to Google Ad leads and then notify team on Google Chats. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Ads, Twilio and Google Chats with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. Let's name this workflow as Notify team on Google Chats for new Google Ads leads and send SMS. And now I need to select the folder. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify team on Google Chat for new Google Ads leads and then send SMS to all these leads. Which means whenever I will receive a new lead, SMS will be sent to that lead and my team will be notified on Google Chat, which means whenever a new lead will be received, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here my trigger application will be Google Ads and then my trigger event will be new lead form entry. Now I need to make connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect for which a webhook URL is given to us and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection and so as to make this connection, let me take you to my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account and over here I am running a test campaign. I have not created any campaign and this is just for test purpose. When you create a live campaign, you have to follow the same process and make this connection. So over here I will scroll down and from all these information, I want the lead name, first name and the last name, phone number, email address and I also want their city. So if I run a live campaign, my lead form will appear like this. So now I will scroll down and from this lead delivery option, I will open this and over here I need to enter the webhook URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my trigger step in Pabbly Connect. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and from over here copy this webhook URL and simply paste it over here. Now I need to enter the key, so I will randomly enter 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have to click on send test data. So before this, let's go back to Pabbly and over here we can see waiting for the webhook response and it's written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now, so as to get the webhook response over here and check whether Google Ads is connected with Pabbly Connect or not, we have to do a test submission, for which let's go back to Google Ads. And over here, I will click on this send test data, which will give me test or dummy details of the lead. So over here, I will simply click on this send test data, and the data has been sent. Now we need to go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received this test data response there or not. And over here we can see we have instantly received the response. So over here we have received all the test data. The city is Mountain View. The email address is test@example.com. The phone number is this. Over here I have received the last name and the first name. So from this we can see Google Ads is connected with Pabbly Connect. And now we have to move to our next step, which is we want to send SMS to this lead. So here I want to select my action application as Twilio and then my action event as send SMS message. Now I will click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And over here, to make this connection, I have to enter all these details. And to get these details, I have to take you to my Twilio account. So over here, this is my Twilio account. And if I scroll down, I will be able to find all these details. So here I can find my account SID or token and my Twilio phone number. Now I simply have to copy this SID number and paste it over here. Now I need authorization token, so I'll go back, copy this auth token and paste it over here. Now I simply have to click on save and Twilio is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the body of the SMS, sender number and the recipient phone number. Now over here I need to draft my SMS. So let's say I'll write hello and then name of the lead. Then I will write thanks for reaching out to us. We will get back to you within 12 hours. If you need any help or need assistance, feel free to reach to us at thanks regards. So here I have drafted the body of the SMS. Now I need to enter the sender number and the recipient number. So over here I need to enter my Twilio phone number. And over here I have added my Twilio phone number and then I have to add the recipient number. So to enter this, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from Google Ads. So over here I have received the phone number as this one. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually write my phone number, every time I receive a new response, this phone number will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now as this is a dummy phone number, so I will simply remove this for now so that I can show you the message that I will receive on my phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number over here. And now as soon as I click on save and send test request, I will receive a message. So in my message, I have written, hello, thanks for reaching out to us. I want to enter the name of the lead. So I will simply click on this Google Ads and use the process mapping and then enter the first name as first name and then put space and enter the last name. Now over here I have used mapping to enter the name of the lead. Now every time I receive a new lead, this field value will get replaced with the new response. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And over here we can see we have received the response. Now I have to check my phone number and see whether I have received this SMS on my phone number or not. And here we can see we have received the response. The SMS reads as, hello, first name, last name. Thanks for reaching out to us. We will get back to you within 12 hours. If you need any help or need assistance, feel free to reach out to us at this number. Thanks regards. So we have successfully sent SMS from Twilio and now I have to move to my next step, where I want to notify my team on Google Chat's Hangout. So next my action application will be Google Chat Hangout. Now I need to select my action event. So here I want to select create message. Now click on connect. So over here, I have connected my Google Chat Hangout multiple times with Pabbly Connect, and that's why it didn't ask me for any permission. So here my Google Chat Hangout is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter these details. So the first one is chat webhook URL, and to enter this, let me take you to Google Chat Hangout. So this is my Google Chat, and I have created this space by the name Google Ads Leads, and now we have to make this connection. So over here I need to enter the chat webhook URL. For this, let's go back to this page, and I need to click on this Google Ads Leads arrow given over here. Next, I have to click on this page settings, and then I have to click on apps and integrations. Here I can see an option of webhook, and on the right corner I can see an option of add webhooks. So I have to click over here. So over here I need to enter the name of the webhook and then the avatar URL. So to enter this, let me take you to Pabbly Connect, and over here it's written enter your Google Chat Room webhook URL here. You will be able to register webhook only if you have Google Workspace account. So we need to click on this hyperlink given over here. Let's open this. So we have reached the forum dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and if we scroll down, we can see the avatar URL given over here. So we simply need to copy this and then open my space and then paste it over here. Now I need to give the name. So over here I want to give the name as new Google Ads Leads, and then I have to simply click on this save. So a URL has been generated by the name new Google Ads Leads, and from here I simply need to copy this link and paste it in my chat webhook URL. Now I need to draft the message that I want to send in my Google Chats Hangouts to my team. So over here I want to send, hello team, we have received the new lead. Now I need to enter the first name, last name, phone number, email address and city. And to enter this, I am going to use the same process that I have used in my previous step, which was mapping. So I have received my response from Google Ads. So I will simply click on this Google Ads and map my first name as first name, then my last name as last name, then my phone number as this one, then my email address as test@example.com, and then the city as Mountain View. Whenever I will receive a new response, it will keep changing because I have used this process mapping. Now I have entered the chat webhook URL and drafted the message that I want to send to my team on Google Chats Hangout. Now I simply have to click on save and send test request. So over here we have received the response. Now we need to open the space in our Google Chat Hangout and check whether we have received the same message there or not. So let's open my Google Chats Hangout, and over here we can see we have instantly received this message. Hello team, we have received the new lead. Here are the details. First name was first name, last name was last name, phone number was this, email address was test@example.com, city was Mountain View. If you need any other information, feel free to reach out to me. Please follow up with this lead as soon as possible. Thanks, regards. Now to summarize this, we took Google Ads as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We sent test data from Google Ads to check whether Pabbly Connect is connected to Google Ads or not and received the response over here. When you run a live campaign, you will receive all your responses in Pabbly Connect following the same process when you make this connection with the help of this webhook URL. Now after this, we took Twilio as our action application from where we want to send SMS to this lead, and then took Google Chat Hangout in which we want to notify our team about this same lead. So we have successfully created automation between Google Ads, Twilio and Google Chat Hangouts with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.